What a nice day to be on an airplane. Oil. Americans love that because it makes cars go vroom vroom. Just chilling in the airplane. That's the wing. Whoa! We're flying. I'm gonna put it on autopilot, which it totally has. Definitely has. There's definitely an autopilot here. There's definitely not an autopilot here. We're flying over an ocean. And this is definitely a seaplane. This is definitely not just normal passenger airliner. Definitely a seaplane. This is not a seaplane. We're gonna crash! We're gonna crash the seaplane! We're gonna crash! Wait, this isn't even a seaplane! We can't. I should probably get back to the get back to the we're getting some